This is the SnapFresh Cordless Leaf Blower. I was in the market for a small battery-powered leaf blower, and the #1 recommended was SnapFresh. It's powered by a 20-volt 2-amp battery. It's got a 2-speed notch. And I also picked up their reciprocating saw because it uses the same battery. So I'll be able to interchange the batteries between the 2 units. I'll do a video on this next. I have a gas-powered blower, but this thing is a pain because it takes 1 or 2 minutes just to start it up. It's also super noisy, and with this new one, it's ready at an instant and it's not as loud. On the bottom of the battery, there's an indicator. You press the button and it shows how much power is left. Fully charged, halfway, needs charging. So I used the blower about 15 minutes straight, and it only went down 1 dot on the battery. As the battery is charging, it's using 57 watts. So it must have some type of fast charge technology. It's about 20 minutes later. The battery has finished charging. It's gone down to 0 watts. And it's about as strong as the gas-powered blower. But my favorite thing about this is it's just ready at a finger switch. You don't have to pour gas. There's no reason to have gas-powered appliances anymore when you got lithium ion. And the batteries of the 2 tools are interchangeable. The quality of the housing is really thick. There's a rubberized grip. Another thing that looks quality is the stickers are perfectly situated. The reason I mention that is because I bought tools where the stickers are 1 or 2 millimeters out of alignment. And also, you get stickers that are put on so badly, you're like, what is going on? So it's nice to see good craftsmanship when you buy a tool. If you wanted to, you could remove the tubing. For a short, tiny blower,